Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can create animation videos in Canva. So to create an animation video like this, first up, open your browser and then go to your Canva. And from here, you just need to sign in with your account. Now, once you signed in, you just need to go to video section. And then from here, you will need to select the create blank option from here, so we can create from scratch. And here, as you can see on the editor, so what we can do here, first we need to add some backgrounds. So we will go to elements. So this time I'm going to the search box and type urban streets. And then here, go to graphics, and we'll be looking for a graphic background or design. So basically, we're going to search for it. So basically, you need to subscribe into Canva Pro, or you'll need to have a Canva Premium to access all of the graphics right from here. As you can see, I'm using Canva Edu or Education. And then once we have just selected this background, so we're going to resize it. Next, go back to the search box, and this time we're going to search for walking. So we're going to use the settings right here, the right side, to basically filter the animated video. So as you can see, and here we can select any of the animated video here. So we have a bunch of options, but in this case, I'm going to just select this one here, and then we can resize this one like this. Okay, and then once done, then we can put it right here at the left side, then click on the animate section right there at the top, and then select create an animation. And then we can basically press shift on keyboard and move it to the right. So just like this. There you go. And then once done, as you can see, you can change the movement styles from original to steady, or you can change to smooth. For example, I'm going to change it into smooth. So there you go. Now, once we have just created the first video, then we can now go to the second page. So this time we're going to add another background. So go to the search box and type urban streets. There you go. Then go to graphics. So for example, we're going to select this one here, resize it just like this, and then again select the graphic, which is walking animation, just like this, and resize it again and put it right here at the very left side or at the middle, for example. Then we can click on animate and then select create an animation, and then again press shift and then move the slide up to the right side. And once done here, as you can see the result. So there you go. And you can also change the movement styles from original going to smooth or steady. So you can select the best transition for your animation right here. Once done, you can now create another page. Now on the third video here, again, we can just select the background. Again, urban streets, and then you can go to graphics and we can select the background that we're going to use, right? So for example, this one here, then we can just maximize it or resize it just like this, right? And then we can add another element, but this time going to find a man riding on a motorcycle. So here you go, and then we can resize this one. There you have it. Now what we can do is we're going to put this animated graphic right here at the left side, and then we're going to adjust the video length. And then again, we're going to click on the three dots and then duplicate page. Now on the second page here, we're going to put this graphic right here, or we can resize it like this. And we can just put it right here at the right side and make it bigger. Now we can add a transition, right? So for example, here, you can just select this add transition and then select on this match and move and make the duration into 5 seconds. So as you can see, this is now the result if we're going to play this one. So there you go. Then we'll basically move from left into the right side. So there you go. So this is the sample of an animated video. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.